Hello there, welcome to Pragmatic Ideas, ideas that work. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple business ideas that you can start in almost no time and make money immediately. Photography. Do you love photography? Or do you have any basic photographic skills? Even if you don't have any basic photographic skills, bear with me here, cause this is really simple. All you have to do is take your favorite camera or cell phone and click any sort of pictures and footages in and around you. Of course, it has to be of high quality, and you can sell that over the online platforms like dreamstime.com, Shutterstock, Fotolia, iStock, and Bigstock. Easy, right? Teach online. Are you expert at something? Are you passionate about teaching? Then this is the business right fit for you. You just need a laptop and an internet connection, a little bit of your creativity, and you are all set to go. You can teach live over the YouTube or just record your videos and upload it. Or you can create your own course and sell it over the platforms like Udemy and Teachable, or you can sell it on your own website. If you are fluent in English, you can easily earn $10 per hour just by teaching it through Cambly app. Sell online. Select a niche or anything you are good at and build an audience around it. Nowadays, you can easily build an audience through the biggest social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube just by providing lots of value. Once you have a lot of people who love your work, you can start selling your own merchandise to your biggest fans. Or what you can do is simply sell other people's product leveraging the power of awesome e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, and Magento. Now, if you are a beginner, I recommend you go with Shopify because it's really easy to start a business with, and this platform is also beginner friendly. So here's the summary of what we have learned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and press that bell icon to get the notification of our life changing future videos.